అదే సార్ షేర్ ఇవ్వండి.
చిన్న చూడండి.
ఓకే సార్. సరిపోయిందా సార్? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి.
ఓకే మేడం, సరిపోయింది.
అంతే కదా?
అంతే మేడం.
నేను స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను సార్.
చేయండి.
ఓకే సార్. Very pleasant morning to everyone. Our expected AGO sir Rajendra Kumar Reddy sir garu, good morning sir. Our convener sir Somsekhar sir garu, good morning sir. And my dear students, good morning to all. How did you write the BS examination yesterday, ma? Sir, అందరూ అన్మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నారు కదా?
అవును మేడం.
సరే సార్. Okay. In previous class, we learned about the following topics: types of fermentation, explanation of lactic acid fermentation, explanation of alcoholic fermentation, difference between respiration and combustion. Okay, today I am going to teach about the following new topics: observing changes, combustion of sugar, heat production by living organisms, evaluation of the gases exchanging system, respiration in plants. First, I am going to explain the observing changes during combustion of sugar. I will explain the in this experiment, ma. Already we know what are the steps in experiment. What are the steps are there in experiments? Aim, requirement of materials, procedure, results. These steps are there in every experiment, ma. Today I am going to explain the observing changes during combustion of sugar experiment. See this slide. First of all, the aim is observing changes during combustion of sugar. Next, what is the requirement of materials? Test tube, test tube holder, beakers, sugar, table bag with matches, spoon, candle. These are all requirement of materials. All of you see in this diagram what is the requirement of the materials are there. Next, I am going to explain what is the procedure of in this experiment, ma. First, add sugar to your test tube until the test tube is about 1/3 full, ma. Next, place the test tube in your empty beaker. Light the candle with the matches. Hold the test tube with the test tube holder. Make sure the test tube holder is holding tight so that the test tube does not slip out. Hold the test tube over the candle flame. Point it sideways away from the everyone. Turn the test tube different ways so that the test tube is actually in the flame. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes or more to completely combust the sugar. Record the observations. After test tube cools, put it in the broken glass container by this sink. Clean any materials that need cleaning and return to the table box. Place on the demo table where you found it. I will share one video, ma, in this experiment. వీడియో ప్లే అవుతుందా సార్? ఇలియాస్ సార్, ఇలియాస్ సార్,
మేడం చెప్పండి మేడం.
వీడియో ప్లే అవుతుందా చూడండి. వీడియో ప్లే అవ్వాలి ఇక్కడ.
ఇంకా కాలా షేర్ చేయండి.
ఒకసారి చూడండి సార్ వీడియో వస్తుందా అని. వస్తుందా?
ఒక నిమిషం మేడం. వస్తాను మేడం.
రాలేదా?
వస్తాను.
ఓకే సార్. All of you watch this video, ma. See, ma, what is the requirement of material? Sugar, test tube holder, candle, matchbox. Flame the candle. After we'll take the sugar in test tube. Scissor, wooden spoon, binding wire. This is also arranging of like that holder, ma, test tube holder. Easily arranged to like that. Watch this carefully. Arranging of the one kind of test tube holder. In laboratories also we have a test tube holder already. See, this is one kind of test tube holder, arranging to like that. After, add some sugar and burn to the sugar. Will take some time, few seconds. The time also run out is like that. The sugar also burn out. Sugar content first its state is solid. After burning, it turned to liquid state. The sugar also it turned to plasma. That means combustion. After combustion, the color is also changed in black in color. In the sugar, not came to the in first stage. See, in this combused sugar, the sugar after heater, it turned to liquid state of black in color. This is experiment. Sir, present, sir?
Sir, madam.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am. The experimentally we will prove the what is the absorbing changes during combustion of sugar. Can you able to understand, ma'am? In this experiment, Maheshwari, can you able to understand in this experiment?
Yes, ma'am.
Already we will take the sugar, ma'am. Sugar is burned out. After it turned to liquid state of sugar, it turned to black in color. But not it came to the before state of sugar. This is one kind of the experiment observing changes during combustion of sugar. Can you able to understand? Shall I go to the next slide, ma'am? Shall I move to next slide? Shall I move to next slide, ma'am?
అందరు మీట్ లో ఉన్నారు మేడం.
Sir, ఎవరైనా ఒక చేయండి sir, 1 or 2. Next topic is I explained heat production by living organisms. All living organisms internally produce heat, ma'am. It is by the byproduct of metabolism. What is a metabolism? Metabolism is called as inside of so many cells during the so many activities are there. So many activities during to the process it say like that metabolism. So what is the factors of determining rate of heat production? The heat production mainly basal rate of metabolism, extra rate of metabolism caused by muscle activity, extra rate of metabolism caused by effect of thyroxine. What is the muscles? Inside so many muscles are there. In our body, it has a 600 muscles are there, ma. Every muscles during the any activities are there. That time it produce heat, ma. Next, what is the extra rate of metabolism caused by effect of thyroxine? We know thyroxine one kind of enzyme. You know the thyroid gland is there, ma. One main gland is situated in your brain, thyroid gland. The thyroid gland secreted between the thyroxine. Thyroxine is controlled by the all activities in all living organisms. The thyroid gland is the one kind of main gland of in our body or all living organisms also. Okay. Next, in thyroxine also, the extra rate of metabolism caused by the effect of thyroxine that time, it produces heat. Next, extra rate of metabolism caused by efferent and non-efferents, that means sympathetic stimulation. These are all some enzymes it produce like that. That time it produces heat also. Next, extra rate of metabolism caused by chemical activity in cells. All living organisms inside so many cells are there. Cells also, all the cells also doing the so many activities. So many activities. In this so many activities during that time, it produce heat also. Okay, can you able to understand? Can you follow in this class?
Yes.
Extra rate of metabolism needed for digestion, absorption, and storage of food. We know what is the metabolism. Inside, so many cells are there. Inside of the body, during the so many activities is called as say like that metabolism. The metabolism in undertake the so many examples: digestion process, respiration process, absorption, reproduction. These are all some kinds of activities are there. Not only human beings, in our surroundings, different kinds of living organisms are there. What are the examples of living organisms? Anyone say, ma?
Plants.
Human beings, animals, plants.
Plants, animals, birds, insects. These are all examples of living organisms. Every living organism is during the life process. It life process one kind of respiration, also one kind of the life process. Okay. In this, how to produce heat? How to heat production is there in the all living organisms. In the living organism, inside so many cells, it during the activities, it depends to the total the process. It say like that metabolism. Inside of cells, muscles, so many enzymes also it is secreted. This also production that time, heat also produced. Okay, can you able to understand? Shall I move to next slide? Shall I move to next slide?
Okay.
See this picture, ma, very carefully. Heat production by living organisms. The main sources of heat is called as sun, ma. Sun, it gives us sunlight. Sunlight is one kind of heat. We know. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The main sources of sun gives us sunlight. Sunlight is one kind of heat. The first of all, the sunlight receives plasma. Plants that plants also receive the heat. That time, during the process of the photosynthesis, after the plants also eaten by some animals. This different type of the animals that these animals also eaten by other animals. These are one cycle process, ma. One cycling process is there. Everyone eaten by, that means the heat also it transferred from each and each other's, ma. In this diagram, in this picture, very easy to understand in this picture, the main sources of the sun gives us the sunlight. Sunlight is one kind of heat. The heat it receives to the plants. Plants also eaten by some animals. Some animals eaten by other animals also. This the heat also it transferred to each and can you able to understand, ma? The main sources of sun, ma. Sun gives us heat. Heat receives to the plants. Plants eaten by some animals. These animals are eaten by some other animals also. Same like that, the heat also transfer to each and each others. Okay, can you able to understand? Shall I move to next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, the next topic I'm going to explain this gas exchange. Already we know in this last classes also we discussed what is the gas exchange. All human beings inside alveoli in one part is there. The alveoli is the exchange of the gases. What does it mean about the gas exchanges? Oxygen is intake and exit of the carbon dioxide is called as gas exchanges. Already we know, already discussed in the previous classes also. But the gases move by diffusion. Diffusion means it moves one place to another place. That means Vyapanamu. One place, another place, it moves to like that. It is called, say like that, diffusion. Diffusion is greater when that is the surface of area is large, but travel distance is small. The travel distance is small, but the area is large. But construction is very gradient in his height. The construction. Okay. Gas exchanges also require moist surface. Oxygen and carbon dioxide must be dissolved in water. Any moist surfaces are there. Some animals and they live to water places, but that time the animals also stay in the moist places, live to the moist places. That time the oxygen and carbon dioxide also dissolved in water. Okay, compared to the environment, like some animals in earth, but this is like that. Some animals it lives to water places also. Okay, I will explain in the next slide. Okay, shall I move to next slide? Okay, see this
Yes, ma'am.
slide. Types of gas exchange surface, ma. Some animals are in your surrounding. So many animals are there, ma. Some animals, different kinds of the respiratory organs are there. We know every respiratory organs, it during the process of the respiration, it helps to like that. Respiratory organ is very main, the essential factors in during the process of respiration, and that time the gas is also exchanged. So many animals are there in our surroundings. Some animals it modified to the external gills. Some animals it modified to the internal gills, lungs, trachees. These are also the different kinds of the respiratory organs are there. Every living organisms during the process of the respiration, compulsory it has a respiratory organs are there. నీకు శ్వాసక్రియ జరగాలి అన్నప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రతి జీవిలో కూడా శ్వాసాంగాలు ఉండాలి. శ్వాసకు సంబంధించిన ఆ అంగాలు ఉంటేనే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ యాజ్ ఎ లంగ్స్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాసెస్ డ్యూరింగ్ బై దిస్ రెస్పిరేషన్. మనకు ఊపిరితిత్తులు ఉండడం వల్లనే మనకు రెస్పిరేషన్ బ్రీతింగ్ జరుగుతూ ఉంది. intake and exit. Intake of oxygen, exit of carbon dioxide. This process is called like the respiration. Okay, can you able to understand? Shall we move to next slide?
Okay.
Okay. See, ma, so many examples we'll take in this class. Gases exchange in amphibians. We know what are the amphibians. Amphibians is one class of animals, ma. Animals as living organisms divide into two categories, chordates and non-chordates. Already in previous class we learned in 9th class also. Chordates and non-chordates. What are the examples of the chordates and non-chordates? These amphibians one kind of chordate. The examples are frog, lizards, leopards. These are all examples of amphibians. These animals also has the respiratory organs are there. Different kinds of respiratory organs are there. See, amphibians exchange gases across the four surfaces. However, only three will be important for in this lesson. See, what are the important parts of respiratory organs? Gills, lungs, skin. These are different kinds of respiratory organs and different kinds of living, different kinds of the animals also. Amphibians also one kind of category between the chordate family. The chordate family as examples of amphibians. Amphibians examples are frogs, lizards, leopards. These are all examples of amphibians. Amphibians also has a respiratory organs. The respiratory organs is called as gills, lungs, skin. Okay, gills are This may be inside or outside animal's head. Gills also one kind of respiratory organ. Gills also it helps to during the process of the respiration that time exchange gases also. For example, fish. For example, fish. Fish as a respiratory organ is called as gills. Gills as during the process between the respiration process. That time the gases also exchange. Which gases we can exchange? Oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Oxygen is intake and exit of carbon dioxide. These called as gas exchanges. Okay. Next, lungs. Lungs is called as frogs. Frogs, lungs and skin also it one kind of the respiratory organs. Both it helps to during the process of the respiration. Okay, salamanders. This is also it helps to the lungs and during the process of the respiration that time the gases also exchange. Can you able to understand?
Yes,
Okay. Another one kind of skin also one kind of respiratory organ. The exchange of gases across the surface of the skin. In order for this to take place, the skin must remain moist. The earthworms also is there in our surroundings. The earthworms also it take the place of skin during the process of the respiration. That one kind of skin also it helps to during the process of respiration. These are all respiratory organs. For example, human beings. Human beings it has a lungs are there. Lungs also it helps to during the process of the respiration. These also gills, lungs, skins. These are all different kinds of respiratory organs. The respiratory organs it helps to during the process of respiration. The respiration that time the gases also exchanged. Intake and exit. Intake of oxygen and exit of carbon dioxide from in our body. This process it exchange of the gases undertaking between them. Okay. Shall I move to next slide, ma'am? Can you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Other examples also we take. The examples of respiratory surfaces used for exchange. How to exchange? Take the example of fish, ma'am. Fish already we know fish has a respiratory organs are gills is called as like the gills. The diffusion from water to blood vessels in the gills. Only the gills, the exchange of the gases between oxygen and carbon dioxide. That time the oxygen is transferred to blood cells also. This is the gills as one kind of respiratory organ in this fish. Can you able to understand?
Madam.
Next, grasshopper. The grasshopper also one kind of living organism. Already we know in our already we see that in our surroundings also. The grasshoppers also it has a air tubes and sacs are there, ma'am. Air tubes and sacs. This is one kind of respiratory organs. We observed grasshopper also in our surroundings. Very careful. We observed. Air comes in through the spiracles through the air tubes moved by muscle contraction. In the contraction, that means the exchange of the gases that time, in the body structure, that means air sacs is there in grasshopper. The sacs also it moved to contraction. It shows the contraction. That time the exchange of the gases. Inside it say one sac-like structure arranging to like that grasshopper. It helps to the during the process of the respiration. The part it helps to the during the process of the respiration. Can you able to understand?
Yes, madam.
Shall you move to next slide? These are also examples, ma. What is the exchange of the gases between the different kinds of the animals? Just like I give you some explanation of these examples only. Okay, can you move to next slide?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, ma. See this slide. Example of gas respirator. Same this like this. We'll take this some example of unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms is called as only single cell animals. Is called as single cell animals. So for examples are the amoeba and paramecium. Already we discussed with last classes also. The paramecium and amoeba, it has a cell membrane is there, ma. The cell membrane around the body structure, its specialized parts are there. Amoeba is, the specialized part is say like that, pseudopodia. Pseudopodia, one kind of respiratory organ in the amoeba. The pseudopodia is, it helps to during the process of the respiration, that time gases also exchanged. Same like that, paramecium also, around it has a cilia is there, ma. Cilia is, it helps to during the process of the respiration. అమీబాలో పారామిషియంలో మనకు ప్రత్యేకమైన భాగాలు ఉంటాయి. ఆ ప్రత్యేకమైన శ్వాసాంగాలు ఏవి అంటే అమీబాలో అయితే సూడోపోడియా, నీకు పారామిషియంలో అయితే సిలియా లేకపోతే సైలికలు. ఇవి ఏం చేస్తాయి అంటే శ్వాసక్రియలో ప్రముఖ పాత్ర వహిస్తాయి. What is in this time the exchange of the gases, it helps to these parts. Which parts? Pseudopodia and cilia. These are also one kind of unicellular organisms. Can you able to understand? This is also
Yes,
the
ma'am.
method of diffusion. Diffusion means it moved to one place to another place. That means the gases are exchanged. Okay. Next, ma. Another one kind of example is earthworm. Already we see the universe surroundings earthworms. Earthworms also thus, which is the respiratory organ is there. That means skin, ma. The earthworm, the respiratory organ is called as skin.
Skin.
The skin is only the exchange of the gases and during the process of the respiration. That means the skin also it touch like that moist, ma. అది ఎప్పుడు కూడా తేమగా ఉంటుంది, మాయిస్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది. Okay, that means during the process of respiration, that time the oxygen also it transferred to blood. That means blood vessels also. ఆ సమయంలో శ్వాసక్రియ జరిపే సమయంలో ఇది శ్వాసక్రియను జరుపుకుంటూ ఆ యొక్క ఆక్సిజన్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, అదే సమయంలో బ్లడ్ లో కూడా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తుంది. అంటే మన యొక్క హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ లో అయితే ఊపిరితిత్తుల ద్వారా జరుగుతుంది అనేసి మనం ఇంతకు ముందు క్లాస్ చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఇలాంటి అనిమల్స్ లో కూడా శ్వాసక్రియ ఎలా జరుగుతుంది అంటే దానికి ఉన్నటువంటి శ్వాసాంగాల ద్వారా శ్వాసక్రియ ఎలా జరుగుతుంది అని మనం అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇన్ దిస్ స్లైడ్?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to next slide?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. What is the exchange, gas exchange by diffusion? Diffusion means already we say the move to one place to another place. See in this slide, the respiration and circulation. Respiration means breathing process. Circulation means communicate with the blood in all the parts of the body. The respiration circulation depend on diffusion over short distance and bulk flow over the long distance. But it maintains the distance also. In this process, respiration and circulation also, it maintain distance. It move to short and long distance. Moving process is say called as diffusion. Same like that, the gases also it move to one place to another place. Okay, it is just say called diffusion. Okay, the human gas exchange system called respiration or breathing. Already we know human beings also the gas exchange system is there. It is the process it says like that, the respiration. And the human beings also uptake of oxygen from air, release of carbon dioxide exit from the body. In this process also we already discussed with in previous classes. Next, what is the diffusion? Net movement of molecules from regions of higher concentration to regions of lower concentration. That means once the time the respiration process also in balance between the higher and lower. Once the time the breathing concentration is very high, once the time the breathing concentration is very low. There is difference between the higher concentration and lower concentration. Depend to the diffusion process. Once a time you you walking to the road, that means you some like that you ran away to like that, you running race, you could participate to the running race. That time your breathing levels is very high concentrated. Just like you can sit on one place in the pool. That time the breathing levels is very low. Just compare with what is the activities during to like that. That is compared to the higher concentration and lower concentration. Okay. Next, unicellular organisms, simple plants and animals. These are all the examples of the diffusion from this like that. The gases, how to exchange from this like that. Okay, can you able to understand in this slide, ma?
Yes, madam.
Shall I move to next slide?
Okay, madam.
Gas exchange in terrestrial animals. In the terrestrial places also, we like to the so many animals are there, ma. Okay. Next, what is the exchange of the gases in the terrestrial animals? Oxygen is not already dissolved in water, so moist surface must be provided for it to dissolve. Oxygen is not already dissolved, but so many animals it live to the water. For example, fish. That time the oxygen also dissolved in water. The dissolved in oxygen, that oxygen it received to the fish's intake of the process of the respiration. అది నీళ్ళలో నివసిస్తుంది కాబట్టి అక్కడ శ్వాసక్రియ అనేది ఎలా జరుగుతుంది అంటే ఆక్సిజన్ కూడా మనకు సాలిడ్ గా కాకుండా లిక్విడ్ గానే ఉంటుంది, లిక్విడ్ గానే కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. ద్రవ రూపంలో ఉన్న ఆక్సిజన్ ని మాత్రమే రెస్పిరేషన్ లో అది ఇంటేక్ చేసుకొని అదే ద్రవ రూపంలో మాత్రమే కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఎగ్జిట్ చేస్తుంది. ఎందుకు అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అక్వాటిక్ అనిమల్. అది నీటిలో మాత్రమే నివసిస్తుంది కాబట్టి దానికి స్పెషలైజ్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఉంది. ఓకే. Next, surfaces needed to be protected from drying out as well as preventing physical damage. Any one time it is already so many all living organs protect ourselves. Any that time the damage between the anything that is the respiration process, anything process that damaged once, ఒకసారి అది ఎప్పుడైనా డ్యామేజ్ అయినప్పుడు how it possible to exchange of gases? అది ఎలా gases exchange చేసుకుంటుంది? That is very difficult to problem. That already the prevented before you get prevented. అది ముందుగానే దానికి ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఎక్కడ డ్యామేజ్ అయి ఉంటుందో దాన్ని రీప్లేస్ చేసుకొని తర్వాత ప్రాసెస్ లోకి అవి మూవ్ అవుతాయి. Most animals have internal surfaces for gas exchange. All the small animals living in moist conditions, examples amphibians, worms can exchange gases through their skin. So many animals is there my nose surrounding. Some animals it take the respiratory organs of lungs. Some animals it respiratory organs of skin. Some animals it respiratory organs of gills. These are all different kinds of animals. Different kinds of respiratory organs are there. Different kinds of respiratory organs during the process of the respiration. So time on the sir. అయిపోయిందా? Ilyas sir. Ilyas sir. The challenge is to provide protection and sufficient surface area for exchange. The gas exchange that time already provide protection. Everyone it provides protection ourselves. Okay, ma? This is very important topics in the last topics in the second unit, ma.
Madam,
Okay.
madam.
Sir, time అయిపోయిందా?
అది 1 minute ఉంది మేడం, ఇంకా 1 నిమిషం ఉంది.
సరే సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
నిన్న ఎగ్జామ్ అందరు బాగా రాసారా? ఎగ్జామ్ నాకు మీరు సెండ్ చేశారు, నేను దానికి కూడా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాను. మీరు ఎంతవరకు అయితే లింక్ లో మీరు అటెంప్ట్ చేశారో ఆ మార్క్స్ ని మీరు నాకు సెండ్ చేసిన మార్క్స్ అంటే మీరు నాకు సెండ్ చేసిన ఆన్సర్స్ ని రెండు టాలీ చేసి నేను తిరిగి పర్సంటేజ్ వేసిన తర్వాత మీకు సెండ్ చేస్తాను. సత్యవేడు బాయ్స్ ఆల్సో మా సత్యవేడు బాయ్స్ చేసే నో రెస్పాండ్, మీరు ఎవరు రెస్పాండ్ కారు. 1 or 2 members మాత్రమే రెస్పాండ్ అవుతారు. కలికే స్టూడెంట్స్ వెరీ వెల్, వాళ్ళు రెస్పాండ్ అవుతారు, వాళ్ళకి పర్సంటేజ్ ఇవ్వడానికి ఫీల్ అవుతుంది. ఇంకా మీకు సర్టిఫికేట్ బాయ్స్ మీరు రెస్పాండ్ కాకపోతే యాజ్ యువర్ లైఫ్ మీరైతే మార్క్స్ ని షేర్ చేస్తాం, తిరిగి దాన్ని రెండు కూడా టాలీ చేసి వేస్తాము. మీరు రెస్పాండ్ కాకపోతే మీ ఇష్టం, అది. తులసి సార్
మేడం చెప్పండి మేడం, వింటున్నాను మేడం.
అదే సర్టిఫికేట్ బాయ్స్ ని కొద్దిగా ఎవరైనా ఒక మ్యూట్ చేయండి. నాకు వాళ్ళ నుంచి రెస్పాన్స్ నో రెస్పాన్స్ ఫర్ ఎనీ క్లాసెస్ ఆల్సో, ఎక్కడ రెస్పాన్స్ లేదు.
వెంకటేష్ జీ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకో.
ఎవరో ఒకరు క్లాస్ విని వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు.
పురుషోత్తం అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకో. పురుషోత్తం మేడం మాట్లాడండి మేడం. వెంకటాద్రి మాట్లాడరా?
హలో మా
హలో
మీరు నాకు ఏమి రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వటం లేదు. మీరు క్లాస్ వింటున్నారా లేదా, లేకపోతే క్లాస్ పెట్టేసి పక్కన వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారా తెలియదు. ఎగ్జామ్ నిన్న ఎంతవరకు రాశారు, రిమైనింగ్ షార్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్ ఎలా రాశారు, దాన్ని మీరు రాసి నాకు పెట్టమని చెప్పాను. నో